team assessors, the DIG team of assessors headed by Ms. Francis Joy Musanto. Principal Administrator, President Daniel Guest. Department heads, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good governance is an essential aspect in every local government unit. It ensures an organization, direction, effective supervision, and accountability. It also demonstrates a willingness and ability to act in the organization with best interest in ensuring the operation of effective, open, and ethical processes that adhere to the law and stand up to scrutiny. Today, I welcome all our assessors from the Department of Local Interior and Local Government to evaluate our performance for the year 2023 through the seal of good local governance. I have instructed all our department heads to prepare and open our documents to you. More than the award. If we pass the criteria, hopefully we can. The result will serve as a tool for us on how to further improve our tasks, functions, and services to our constituents and to the people we serve. I know that all our department heads, employees, and personnel did a good job, which we anchor our desires and aspirations in our tagline, Anak Ka Hilumusun. Again, welcome everyone. I hope that this assessment will be successful and fruitful. Thank you and God bless. Anak Ka Hilumusun.